What is Gita?
Gita means poetry. But if your question is what is Bhagavad Gita, it is the poetry sung by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Shri Krishna. You want to know more about Gita? Then give us a missed call on 7210082100, and we will send you a free course on Bhagavad Gita. Gita word in itself is nothing but means poetry, poem, song. Okay, it is a song of God, Bhagavad Gita. So that's how it goes. There are many Gitas in the Vedas, but this is the ultimate song because it is spoken by the ultimate person, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Shri Krishna. Hare Krishna. Gita explains to you, is the manual of life. What is the purpose of life? Why are you living? So that in the end you become a big zero. You leave everything behind, nothing you can take with you. No, it tells you there is a lot of meaning to life. And after death also, there is life. Death is not a full stop. It's just a comma. Your sentence carries on. Your life carries on. What is the purpose of life? How to fulfill that purpose? Who am I? Where am I? Who's the creator of all such an intelligent universe? Such a design. Such intelligent design. Who's the designer? Why has he designed this? What is rebirth? What is reincarnation? All these questions are answered in the Bhagavad Gita. Gita, there are a lot of Gitas. I'm talking of the Bhagavad Gita, the highest of all Gitas, all songs. So, would you not like to know it? Everyone should know the manual of life. Hare Krishna. Thank you for asking the question.